7 banana facts you won't believe. 1. Bananas are berries. Despite their appearance, bananas are technically berries. This is because they grow from a single flower with a single ovary, making them botanically classified as berries. 2. Bananas are clones. The bananas we consume are nearly all genetically identical. They are propagated through cloning, as the seeds of commercially grown bananas are usually sterile. 3. Bananas can float. Bananas have a lower density than water, which allows them to float in water. This characteristic is due to the air pockets within their structure. 4. Bananas are radioactive. Bananas contain a small amount of naturally occurring radioactive isotope potassium-40. However, the levels are so low that they pose no harm to humans. 5. Bananas can help improve mood. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and promote feelings of happiness and well-being. 6. Bananas are a good source of potassium. Bananas are well known for their potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps maintain proper heart and muscle function, as well as balance fluid levels in the body. 7. Banana peels have practical uses. Banana peels can be used for various practical purposes. They can be used as a natural fertilizer, polish silverware, alleviate insect bites or rashes, and even whiten teeth, although the effectiveness of this is debated.